Now, your local on the 8s.
Currently, the temperature is 89 degrees under partly cloudy skies. A hurricane watch is in effect for our area. Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, showers late, low 79. Winds east-northeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. And on Tuesday, variable clouds with scattered showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the afternoon. High 88. Winds east-northeast at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 60%. And Tuesday night, windy with showers and thunderstorms. Low 78. Rainfall possibly over 1 inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour late. On Wednesday, we'll have temperatures in the mid-80s with thunderstorms. Look for a chance of thunderstorms on Thursday and Friday. Traffic congestion for our area.
Welcome back. Dr. Lyons joins us right now with a tropical update.
Yeah, this time last month we were talking about all the activity in the Pacific, but now unfortunately things have turned and it's more active in the Atlantic. Dr. Lyons?
Well, Vivian, we had the latest advisory from the Hurricane Center, and it remains a 40-mile-per-hour storm over land, but it's going to emerge offshore later tonight or early tomorrow morning. Let me show you the latest advisory from the Hurricane Center, and you can see that the winds are 40 west to the northwest now at 13, a little bit faster forward motion. And that forward motion is expected to continue the next 24 to 36 hours. All right, let's go now to the hurricane watches. They have hurricane watches posted up here with the anticipation that it's a potential that it could become a hurricane. Right now, we don't think that's going to happen. We think it's going to landfall as a tropical storm, and for that reason, tropical storm warnings have now been issued from Vero Beach around toward the southwest portions of Florida, and I'll show you that diagram in just a few minutes. But tropical storm warnings now issued for southwestern and southeastern